Hey there my tulips, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bliss. So I decided that I was going to taper my hair myself on camera for the first time for you tulips out there. So now I've only cut my hair one time before, but it's my first time doing it on camera, so I'm super duper nervous about it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that I got my part together, because I like a straight part. I don't like a weird crooked part. So make sure my part is straight, which I think for the most part I've gotten it straight. And then I want to make sure that I have my sides laid down. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is start with a comb. I'm using a rat tail comb. This is my side that I'm not so fun about because I'm trying to roll back my hair right in here. Right in here. And as you guys can see, it slowly but surely is growing back. It's just such a slow process. But I want it to look full like this side here. So, I don't know. We're going to keep on working on that thing. So I'm just combing through, making sure I don't have any tangles. This is very massaging to my scalp. Feels amazing.